So if you're having trouble with these real small insulin syringes, I'm going to show you today with this one. And this is 5/16 length needle, which is only 8 millimeters. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have, in this case, the BD 1 milliliter microfine needle guide loaded in here. And this is the same needle guide that we use with the majority of the luer lock syringes. But the difference is when you load your syringe, the luer locks are going to be behind this tab right here. With the insulin syringes, you're going to want to make sure that it is in front of the tab. That's why when you load it like this, you're not getting it to come in front, or it's not coming out far enough, because the handle of the syringe is back behind this area. So now you can see that we have this, we can remove the cap. See how small that tiny needle is, and it's coming out right to the end of the device. So this will be perfect for you. So again, hopefully this is focusing up. You want it here, not behind. So this is a common mistake that we see. And this will work with most syringes down to even 4 millimeters, all the way up to 40, which is 1.5 inches. So since I'm here, why don't we just go ahead and do one? Pull it back. Remove the safety. And this is a B12 injection that I'm doing today. Locate your injection site. Clean it with alcohol. Push it on. Hit the button to press the plunger. Once again, I mean, you don't feel these anyway barely with, even if you don't use the injector, but man, I could feel nothing. And this is vitamin B12, so an MIC B12, and a full cc of liquid going in. There we go. It's that easy.